In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Shopify from Facebook, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove the Facebook sales channel from your Shopify store and what to expect after you do. Disconnecting stops product and catalog syncing between Shopify and Facebook, and it removes that channel from your admin, but it won't delete your Shopify products or affect existing Shopify orders. Start by signing into your Shopify admin on the store you want to change. If you manage multiple stores, double check you're in the correct one before proceeding. You'll also want to make sure you have the permissions to manage sales channels, since only users with the right access can uninstall a channel. From your Shopify admin, go down to the bottom left corner and open Settings. Inside the Settings area, locate the section for Sales Channels. This is where every sales channel connected to your store is listed in one place, making it the safest spot to remove a channel without touching anything else. Look for Facebook in the list of sales channels. Depending on your setup, it may appear as Facebook or Facebook and Instagram. When you find it, hover over it and click the three-dot icon to open the Actions menu. That menu is where Shopify groups channel-specific options so you don't have to dig through multiple screens. Choose Uninstall. Shopify will display a confirmation window explaining that uninstalling will remove the channel and stop syncing. Your Shopify data remains in your store, but your catalog and activity will no longer be pushed to Facebook from this point forward. This is a good time to pause and consider anything that depends on the channel, like product availability on Facebook Shop or automated catalog feeds. You'll be asked to select a reason for uninstalling. Pick the option that best matches your situation. This helps improve the product but doesn't change the outcome. When you're ready, click Uninstall again to confirm. Shopify will process the request, and within a moment the Facebook channel disappears from your sales channels list. After it's removed, verify that Facebook is no longer listed. If you still see it, refresh your browser and check again. If the uninstall button was unavailable, you may need an owner or a staff member with the right permissions to complete the action. And if you don't see Facebook at all, you're already disconnected. That's it, your Shopify store is now disconnected from Facebook. If you ever need to reconnect, you can add the channel again from the Sales Channels area and follow the prompts to set it up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.